My name is Robin Crosby, and this is my Simple Truth story. So for me, my weight loss journey began on September the 19th. Had a health assessment at 270 pounds. I decided I'm going to switch it over, eat better products. So as I began eating more Simple Truth products, I felt better. Weight surprisingly started coming off pretty quick. It wasn't a hard transition because I started feeling so much better. My first weigh-in, I want to say it was within 2 weeks. I lost about 5 pounds. Today I'm currently at 228 pounds. So 41 pounds down in a short amount of time. I have my own Facebook page that I try to encourage others. At 40 pounds down, I feel amazing. I really do. I feel cleaner and I feel lighter. Healthier eating makes you feel better. Simple Truth absolutely has been a great asset for my journey. So, I mean, it worked for me, it'll work for you too.